Again, just to kind of piggyback off of that, many of the questions that have come, this one is about a husband who got a khula and they thought it was a divorce and madinah, all of this type of stuff. And then another one that talks about a husband who was unfaithful to his wife. Waliyadu billah. A'udhu billah. This is from the kaba'ir. Wala aghyar min Allah. The same way that you wouldn't want somebody to do that to your daughter, to your wife. There's no one that is more jealous than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Think about what you're doing to his servant. Because whoever that woman was who you slept with that you shouldn't have, that is the servant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The point is that there's several questions that are like this that they don't need fatwa, they need qadhaa. And people have to understand there's a difference. So when you're dealing with specific situations, a woman changed the locks, can you do this, can you do that? When you're dealing with these specific situations, a fatwa is something that is given where you don't have to hear from the other side. But when there's a situation where no, there's another side to this story, it would be irresponsible for a mufti to respond without hearing the other side of the story and that's where the qadhaa comes in, where there's an actual judgment. And the judge has to hear from both sides, provided that he's given the other side the opportunity. Now, if that opportunity is provided to the other person, he said, "Man, I ain't got to go to him." Then that situation can be dealt with as is, or from that one side of the story, inshallah. But as Shaykh Hassan mentioned, many of these situations and scenarios that come up, you cannot give a general answer. Wallahu a'lam.